So guys, for the first method, make sure that you do not have any VPN or proxy server enabled right now. If you do, then you want to disable it. See if that works for you. For the second method, you're going to head over with search and type in Xbox. Now you're going to click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you're going to click on reset. And then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. And then once it's been reset, see if that works for you. Try to log in again, see if that works. If that's still not working, for the next method, you're going to click on uninstall. And then click on uninstall again. You want to uninstall the Xbox application. And then once you're on this, you're going to search for Xbox. Click on it. And you now want to re-download the Xbox application. See if that works for you. For the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.